In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove hard contact lenses easily. These are hard RGP, or also known as rigid gas permeable lenses, and there's 3 cool ways to remove them. Let's take a look. Hello and welcome, I am Dr. Joseph Allen here from the Dr. Eye Health Show, helping people learn about the eyes, vision, and finding the best vision products. So if you're new here to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, this video is part of a series about specialty hard contact lenses, and if you want to learn a little bit more about them, then I will include that link to that entire video series in the description below. Now before we jump right in, I just want to say that it is best for you to have already gone through a fitting course of how to put them in and take out contact lenses at your local eye clinic or optical, because they're going to give you the hands-on training that you need in order to be really successful with contact lenses. This video is really just to support you if you're having a difficult time. Now, the first step is always, whenever you're handling contact lenses, you need to wash your hands first and then dry them completely, because little microbes live in our hands and we want to make sure that we don't get those under our contacts and then into our eyes. Now, to actually show you the 3 different ways of how you can remove hard RGP contact lenses, I'm going to first have to put an RGP contact lens into my own eye, and I'm traditionally not a hard contact lens wearer, so I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'm going to actually put a numbing drop into my eye just to make it a little bit more comfortable so that I can actually show you the appropriate way. Sometimes in the clinic, to help fit specialty lenses, we do use some of these numbing drops just to make people more comfortable. Ultimately, you don't want to actually get these drops and use them repeatedly over and over, because people who do that and abuse this actually can melt their cornea. There's a bonus tip for you: don't abuse numbing drops. Now that we got it in, let's go over how to take them out. First, a quick pro tip is that if you're actually taking your contact lenses out over a sink or in a bathroom somewhere, I think it is best to actually use some sort of a towel and actually place it in the sink over the drain. That way, if you take your contact lens out and it falls into the sink, it's not going to actually slip down the drain, because if it does, you're out of a contact lens. Now, the first method that I prefer is actually using one finger on the top eyelid and then using another finger on the lower eyelid, and you basically kind of pinch a little bit underneath the lens from both the top and the bottom, and that can actually kind of push out the lens from the eye. So we're going to try it right here. I'm going to get in closer. There we go. So I got it out. It took about 2 tries there, but it came out pretty easily. Now I'm actually going to put the lens back in and we'll demonstrate that one more time. Okay, I'm going to hold the top eyelid and the bottom eyelid here. And the lens just pops right out. Now, for the second method is called the blink method, and this way a lot of people prefer it and they find it very easy, while some people have more challenge with it, and I believe it has to do with your lid tension. If you have very tight, taut eyelids, then you might find this easier to remove the lenses this way, where somebody like myself, my eyelids can be manipulated pretty easily, so it gets a little challenging. What we're going to do is we're going to give it a try, and if I mess it up, we're going to keep trying and trying until we get it right, and hopefully I'll get it within the first 2 tries. Okay, so I like to look downward a little bit with this method. I find the gravity helps it a little bit. But you touch the top eyelid here to the corner, the bottom eyelid here to the corner, you pull your eyelid really tight, and you blink, and it pops out. I actually got that on the first try. Yay! Okay, we're gonna try that again just as another example. So yes, you grab the top eyelid, pull it here to the side really tight, and then forcefully blink, and oh, it actually got it on the second try too. Sweet. Again, some people find the blinking method to be the easiest. I personally just struggle with it, but yes, that's how you do it. Hey, are you getting value out of this so far? If so, smash that like button for me. Thanks. Okay, now the third method, which is a way that I personally like to remove lenses, however, it's not for everybody, and probably most eye doctors prefer everybody to learn how to remove contact lenses with their hands alone, but this little device is called a DMV, and it's actually a little plunger that can actually be used to suction onto a hard contact lens and then just easily pull it off the eye. The reason why most doctors don't like people learning how to use the DMV right away as the first method is because you are putting another object object onto the eye, and if you miss the eye or don't do it correctly, you could actually be putting suction onto the eye, and that could actually hurt the eye. So it is important that you learn how to use this correctly. Now, most of these plunger devices you can of course buy directly from your eye doctor. Some include it as a kit whenever you're getting fit for specialty contact lenses. Otherwise, you can certainly buy them in a big bulk supply, buying online off of Amazon. I think it's only just a few dollars. But when using a DMV plunger like this, you do want to wet the plunger just a little bit with some disinfecting solution or saline, and then you actually want to place it on the lower 1/3 of the contact lens. And then when you pull off, you pull slightly up and away, and then the lens should just lift off easily. There you go. Are you able to see how that's on the lower 1/3 of that contact lens? That's about perfect. Now, whether you are using the first, the second, or the third method to take out your contact lenses, remember that contact lenses are medical devices, and it's very important to listen to your eye care professional regarding your contact lens use, as well as following the manufacturer's instructions for whatever disinfecting solution you are using to clean your contact lenses. That is the only way to protect your eyes, your eye health, and your vision overall. So, eye health question of the day: which one of these 3 methods works best for you? Which one of these tips helped you out the most? Comment and connect in the section below. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're new, and if you'd like to see other videos in my entire series about specialty or hard contact lenses, go ahead and click or tap the screen just up over here to the side, or if you'd like to see another cool video from Dr. Eye Health, just go ahead and click or tap the screen down over here. Again, this is Dr. Joe Allen here from Dr. Eye Health, helping you learn about the eyes, vision, and finding the best vision products. Keep an eye on it. We'll talk to you soon.